Hey, boys and girls. Okay, so this is a game that you can do in music class when I'm not there with your teacher. And whenever I've done this game, the students have had a lot of fun doing it. So hopefully you guys can have fun doing it. And so there's going to be a person, this is something we do in the classroom, and we pick one person who's going to be the guesser. And so before they can guess, they're going to stand somewhere in the corner or by the door and not look. And then the teacher is going to pick another person secretly, so that and this person is going to be the person who creates a rhythm. So say the person who's going to be guessing is in the corner by the door, not looking, and then the teacher picks me. And say I start, it could be any kind of percussion rhythm. It could be clapping, patting my legs, stomping my feet, snapping, going like this, hitting my chest. It could be a combination like stomp, stomp, clap, or pat, pat, clap, clap, or snap, 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 whatever you want to do. So say I start a rhythm, and then everyone, as soon as I start, everyone joins in and follows me, because I've been the person who's chosen to create the rhythm. So I'm creating the rhythm, and everyone else follows what I do. And then we say, okay, now the guesser knows as soon as they hear the sound, they know they can turn around and start to look and see if they can figure out who is leading the rhythm. So this guesser is walking around the room looking at people, and then so I'm going to wait until they're not looking right at me, because if they see me switch the rhythm, they're going to know I'm the person creating the rhythm. So I have to wait till they kind of turn their back or they're not looking, and then maybe I'll switch to a different rhythm, and then everyone has to jump in and follow me right away. So you really got to be paying attention to what everyone is doing and follow the rhythm. But you don't just want to stare at that person who's doing the rhythm, because if if everyone's staring at the same person, then the guesser is going to know who it is. So maybe some people can look at the person who's doing the rhythm, and maybe some people just look at the other people, because they'll know, because the other people start switching. Or maybe just listen for it, and then when you hear it change, then you look. There's different ways you could do it. So say I'm creating the rhythm, and the guesser is walking around, they turn their back, and then I switch to something else. Okay? Maybe the guesser hears the sound change and sees, oh, I heard it change over there first. So they turn around and they look at me, but maybe they guess the person next to me. So the guesser is trying to hear where the sound is changing first, where it's coming from, and they guess. And you can get 3 guesses to see, and you don't have to do all the guesses right in a row. You can guess one person, and then maybe they didn't get it, so you just keep going. So don't stop. If say you're walking around and they say, is it you? And don't stop, just keep going. And if they say no, then you keep going, and then they keep walking around, you keep doing the rhythm. Is it you? No. Is it you? Yes. Okay. And then we pick a new guesser, and we pick a new person to do the rhythm. So that's how it is. Have fun.